Hello guys, welcome back. In this Laravel video tutorial, we are going to learn how we can create a very simple registration form. So in this registration form, we will create a HTML form, and then we will submit the form data on a controller, and then the data will be saved on the database in our MySQL table. So let's get started. So first of all, you can see that I have a screen and I have a view already created, view which is the login. So here you can see that. Just try it. Let's see, is it fine? Yes. So I'm going to create first of all a form here. So just create a HTML form here and create a two fields. The first name is name, we give a placeholder name which is enter your name, and just copy it and make one more parameter which is email, and right here enter your email. Alright, now just take a button here. Button should be the submit type, and make a text between the register. Let's see, is it working? Yes. So now just take one more field. Why we need one more field? Because we need a text field or a hidden field for a Laravel token, because without this token Laravel is not submitting the form, because this is for the security purpose. So I am going to just take one more input, and name I can put here token, and the value I can put here. So you have to concentrate on this point, because we have to use here the blend syntax, and just use CSRF underscore token. This is other function, and now just see that. So you will got a token key here, because without this key we are not able to submit the token. So just you can type it the hidden. So we are not going to show you this the user, because this is the Laravel internal functionality. So alright, so after that just put the URL. So the URL should be URL class, and take a function 2 with the path parameter with the slash and store. So we will submit it on this URL. So now just go to your router and create a route here. Guys, if you are not familiar with the router and the controllers, just please watch our previous videos, and here we have a very nice tutorial regarding that. So just write here path store, and here I'll call this store function. I already have made a controller here. So controller, and with the @ we are able to call the function here. So it should be the post request. Alright guys, so now let's try that. Okay, so just echo something here so that we can understand the controller is called or not, like test. Just refresh it, or just write something and submit. So we are on the test here. So for the request to handle, so now our HTML form is sending a request on the store controller. So how we can check the request? So for that you have to include a library to eliminate an HTTP with the request. So with the request, just use here request and just use any kind of parameter, like I suggest you to take the parameter as a request, and now just print our dollar request and inputs as an input function. So now just submit once again, like name, you can see that PT, okay, just check. So we got the name here, we got the email address, and when we got the token also. So for that, just okay, alright, so now we have to include the database library here. So if you don't know how to connect and how to stable the database connection, just watch our previous video. The link is given in the description. So from this last video you can catch the overall details, how we can select the data, how we can insert the data, and how we can stable the database password and root also. So you have to look out that video. Otherwise, if you have basic idea, then you can continue from here. So just include the DB library. Alright, so now just use the dollar result parameter and use DB with the scope registration method, and method name is insert, and write here query here, like my query is insert into my table name is test. Okay, so just open my PHP myadmin. So here you can see that I have a Laravel table, and I have just 2 entries here from the, okay, this is actually look like garbage. Okay, so I have just 1 entry, which is the sid and sid@gmail.com, and the ID is auto incremented domain table. So just use the test table, and here just pass the parameter. My first parameter is going to name, and second one is email, and right here values. With the values you have to put the question mark. Why we have to put the question mark? Because this is a security purpose. So as a second parameter, use the request here. So I can just put my name here, which is coming from the database or coming from the HTML form, and second one is my email address. Alright guys, so email address, everything should be fine. Okay, so just echo the result here. It should be 1 if the data is stored in our HTML in the database. Alright, so let's check it out. Okay, so just put the name like John, email address is john@test.com. Submit here. So we got the 1 result, and just check out in the database is, just refresh it, and you can see that we have the 2 data here now. So now just try to enter one more, like Kelly @gmail.com. So we got 1 once again, and just check out here. So we got 1 more result here. So guys, so you can see that we can able to simply save the data in the database. So you can use it as a registration. If you can add the more fields in your HTML forms, like the password and contact number and mobile number and all. So you can make it a proper form. I just take two fields because I want to complete this tutorial within the minimum time. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like this video.